Hello. Okay, we are going to be looking at your design, which is a G+2 made out of 3 levels: the ground, the first and the second, as you can see here. So this design is a G+2 design. Has the ground floor and 2 floors up, and the ground floor having 3 bedrooms, and the other 2 floors made up of 2 apartments each. The 2 apartments are designed in such a way that you have a living room, 2 bedrooms, the master bedroom having a water closet inside, and another guest room with a water closet again, which is going to be used by the guest room and maybe strangers and all that. So all the apartments are designed like that. We are going to look at that in detail. So basically this is just this is what we've been able to come out with for your design. This is the site plan we received. This is the site plan for your lot, and you can see it measures 26.24 by 12.20 this way and 23 this way. So the main road, from what we can see, is this way. So we give an offset here inside from the main road, which is going to be used for the parking. And then well, the building is actually designed to face this way. Yes, that is this way in front here. Yeah, it's not possible to make it to face this way. We did try to make it to face the road, but it's not possible, because to put in 2 apartments which are on the same line to face this way with a width of 12.20 meters, and also giving an offset at the angles here, since we cannot just flush them at the wall. Even if we were to flush, it's not really possible. So we could only exploit this side, which you are going to see that on the plan here. So this is the ground floor plan. This is the ground floor plan. You asked for 3 bedrooms, so we have 3 bedrooms here for the ground floor. As you can see, these are the 3 bedrooms. Here is the first bedroom, the second and the third. So what happens is this ground floor is we have 2 different separate living rooms on this ground floor. So you make a walk on the veranda, as you can see here, and you get in here. Here is the living room. That's the secondary living room. Here's the secondary living room, which can be used like maybe for children, you know, and stuff like that. But this is the main living room here. This main living room here, of course, also has access from the outside. The room, this one has a double door, as you can see here. So you get into this room, and you can pass through this arch here to get into the main living room, or you can get into the main living room from here directly. From the main living room, you can have access to the dining, which has a kitchen on the side and also a store. Now the kitchen, of course, has an exterior veranda. Yeah, it's a must that the kitchen must have an exterior veranda. So coming in here to the secondary living room, you can make a walk and you come to this little circulation here. From this circulation, you can get into the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a water closet of its own, and this other space here, which is going to be used for the dressing space, as you can see here. Coming out of the master bedroom, you have this other bedroom here, and this bedroom is going to be using this toilet, as well as this other last bedroom here, which is also going to be using this toilet. Any stranger in here can also easily have access to this toilet here. So in total, on the ground floor, we have 3 bedrooms, the master bedroom having its own water closet and a dressing, these other 2 bedrooms sharing this water closet here, and any stranger can also use this water closet here. So you get a living room here and the dining, and there's a kitchen and the store. So we are going to see this in detail in the 3-dimensional walkthrough, which is what we're just going to be looking at now briefly. So this is the design, and so this is the ground floor, which we are talking about. This floor here. So we're just going to go in. So you can see the doors here. This is the door that takes you into the secondary living room, and this is the door that takes you into the main living room. So we're going to go through the main living room here. Okay, so we are in. Here's the main living room. You can see it's very spacious in terms of space, and it's well ventilated too. You can see all this, yeah, very spacious and well ventilated. So going in here, we have the dining room. Here is the space for the dining room, which is also still very spacious. And of course, attached to the dining room is this door that takes you into the kitchen. So the kitchen is here, so we can get in through this door, and we have the kitchen. So this is the kitchen space. This space that we have here is the kitchen, also well ventilated. So now this other room which we have attached to the kitchen, of course, is the store. So this is the store, and if we were to go out through this door, we are going to be going out on the veranda of the kitchen, of which you can see here. So this is the veranda of the kitchen for the ground floor. So going back in here, we're back in the kitchen. We go back, we're in the dining room, and we are going back through the main living room. And now, of course, in reality, when this is executed, you can have an arch here, an arch here, just to beautify it. And then we are going in. So this is the secondary living room now. Here's the secondary living room, which we have here. Is the secondary living room. We keep going in. Okay, now we are at this point. So this door here, when you turn right, takes you into the master bedroom. Now, of course, this place here is not going to be as open as this. In reality, we are also going to have some sort of an arch here which covers this up, and a curtain. So if we get into the master bedroom, I'm just going to go in there. Here is a master bedroom. You can see very spacious, very big. And of course, this spot that we have here is the dressing spot, which you get in through before you have the water closet for the master bedroom, which is this door. This door takes you into the water closet for this master bedroom. When you are done, you can come out here, you dress or you do some makeup, then you get back into the bedroom, and then you can go out. So we are now going to be going out of the master bedroom. Okay, so presently we are out of the master bedroom, and we are going to be going into this other room, which is one of the two bedrooms, extra bedrooms that are different from the master bedroom. You can see the space for the wardrobe here. I'm just gonna go back out, turning like this. In the middle here is the water closet for this bedroom and this other bedroom here. So this is the last bedroom. I'm just going to go into it. This is the third bedroom here. You can also see the space for the wardrobe, and the room is also very spacious. So we're just gonna go back out of here, turn, get back through the corridor, the circulation, and we get through the secondary living room, and we make our way out through this door. And that is it for the ground floor. As you can see, now we're going to continue and go up down to the first floor, which is made up of two apartments, 2 bedrooms each. Let's look at the details. So now on the first floor, this is what we're going to be seeing. The staircase, we've put it this way because we can't flush it in here, since for the privacy of this man, we can't put the staircase into this building because it could go up here and supply the 2 apartments. But no, we've put it this way so that whoever is down here can have a certain degree of privacy and not always be disturbing and stuff like that. Okay, so you get up and you come up here. When you're on this floor, you get to you can get into the first double bedroom apartment, which is this one. Now looking at that in detail, we can look at it here. So this is the floor that we are there now. What I'm saying is you get up the staircase here, the staircase, and then you can have access to this first floor. You want to go to the second floor, you get up the staircase again, and you can have access to this second floor, as you can see here. So for the first floor, you can see here is the first floor. You can get up. As you are on this veranda, you can have access to the first apartment, which is here. Here's the living room. You pass through this arch, you can get into this guest bedroom, or you have access to the master bedroom, which is here, having its own water closet inside. This guest bedroom can use this water closet, as well as any stranger can also use this water closet. The kitchen is behind here. Here is the kitchen, and of course a veranda for the kitchen. Same to the second apartment. If you want to have access to the second apartment, you don't have to get in here. You keep walking and you come to this second apartment here. Here's a living room. Here is the first bedroom. That's the guest bedroom, having which has to use this water closet. Any stranger will also use this one. And here is the master bedroom, having its own water closet or toilet. And of course, This apartment also has a kitchen, which also has this veranda. Looking at that in detail, you can see here are the details here. Apartment 1, apartment 2. On the second floor, which is this floor, it's also made up of a similar design. You can continue moving up. Let me just flip so you see it very well. You know, when you are up here and you're not coming to this floor, you get up the staircase again and you come up until you are at this point here. Now when you are at this point, now you can also have access to this first apartment or this second one, which is still of a similar design to the other apartments here, as you can see here. Apartment 1, apartment 2. Parlor, guest bedroom using this toilet. Any guest also using this bathroom. Master bedroom with its own toilet, and of course a kitchen and a veranda. Same here. Parlor, and you get through this arch. You have the guest bedroom, the master bedroom having its own bathroom, the guest bedroom using this, and of course a kitchen. So in total in this structure we have 4 double bedroom apartments, and of course this other main block down here, which is made up of 3 bedrooms. So now we are going to quickly look at how the apartments are looking like in reality. So we get up this staircase. You make a walk up this staircase, like you see this lady going up. You just make a walk up the staircase. Let's just go with the lady, okay? Yeah, and from there now, yeah, up here, you just keep coming up. Oh, sorry about that. And we can have access to this veranda. Okay, now yeah, on this veranda, you just come straight. If you are coming to this apartment, then you get in here. So this is the first apartment. You can see the living room. This door at the end here takes you into the kitchen, of course, which has a veranda behind. Let's just look at that. So here is the kitchen. You can see this. And of course, if we are going out here, we are going to be going. Let's just have a peek of that on the veranda for the kitchen, as you can see it here. Okay, let's just go back in. Go in and we look at the bedrooms. So now in reality we are also going to have an arch here which covers this up. Now this is a little bit of circulation that we have here, and this is the guest bedroom, which we were using this toilet, as you can see. And then on the right we have the master bedroom, which has its own water closet or toilet inside, of course. So this is the master bedroom. You can see the master bedroom having its own water closet inside, as you can see here. Here's the water closet. So if you are not coming to this apartment, let's just go back through the living room. You'll be coming to this other one, which is also of a similar design, just the same design. At the end here we have the kitchen, and coming, turning right, passing through this wall here, we are going into here. Yeah, so there you have the guest bedroom, you have the master bedroom having its own water closet inside, and of course this water closet here, which is going to be used by the guest bedroom and any stranger in this apartment. So basically that is just it. And if we were to go up to the second floor, we're just going to have a view of the same thing that we're just from seeing down here. It's also similar to the design here. It is apartment 1 on the second floor and apartment 2, which is also of a similar design as to what we can have we've seen in the first floor. So that is it for the proposal. This is what we've been able to bring out for your project. And for the parking, you see that since the building is facing this side, it's not possible for us to have a parking in front. So we've made an allowance. You can see this is like a sample block plan of how the structure is going to be looking like. So this space here, we're going to be using this for the parking. So the main road is here. This is where the main road is. So this is how the building is going to be positioned, facing this side. And then of course we have the space here to be used for the parking. Okay, so this is how your project is gonna be looking like. This is a conception that we've been able to bring out. Thank you very much for watching.